Alright, finna get ready to head to the exhaust shop so I can get this hanger fixed so I can stop making this noise. So yeah. See y'all when we get there. Alright, so I'm at the exhaust shop. It looked like when I got hit from behind, it just knocked out a few bolts. So they're back there. They're gonna replace the bolts in it to get me right, stop it rattling. And they're gonna check on the rattle up under my foot. They think it's just hitting a little bar on the bottom. So, gonna get that situated and get this exhaust straight because you can see the right side hanging down a little low, but it's gonna get it together. Alright, so just left the exhaust shop. Rattle's completely gone. Got the rear tips evened out. It was a little bar that goes across the bottom that the exhaust was hitting on. And it's amazing how much noise that little bar was making. But it is connected to the frame, so it was rattling throughout the car. So now I'm finna head to AutoZone so that I can get my AC refrigerant so I can charge my AC and a dipstick for my transmission because I guess the tow yard stole my transmission dipstick for whatever reason. So yeah, that's what I'm finna do now. So let me get to AutoZone. Alright, I'm really just gonna start dubbing this car the Bad Luck Daytona. Look at this. So took the parking brake off. Put it in drive. Nothing. Put it in reverse, foot off the brake. Nothing. I'm really hoping I know what the problem is. When I put the transmission in, a bolt was missing from the linkage. So I'm really hoping that's what it is. It's the linkage missing or it just came loose or whatever. So right now I'm waiting on the tow truck to come. So yeah, sit here and wait on that. Oh, look at there, a beautiful tow truck man shows up. God damn it. Same tow truck man from last time. El Duce to pick up the Bad Luck Daytona. I don't know, man. I went to get my exhaust fixed. I just got the car fixed because somebody hit me from behind, pushed me into another car, fucked the front end up. So I got the front end replaced. I drove to Atlanta, drove all the way to Marietta. Everything was fine. I went to get my exhaust fixed because the accident broke one of my hangers. Got the hanger fixed. Stopped by AutoZone, bought some AC refrigerant because when it messed up my condenser, it took all the refrigerant out. On my way home, I was just driving, it just stopped pulling. So, I have no idea.
You put it in, you put it in drive, it won't do nothing for you?
Nothing, put it in reverse, won't do nothing.
That's a transmission.
Yeah, and the thing about it, remember the first time you picked it up, it was transmission, so I just replaced transmission. So what I'm thinking is, one of the linkages for the shifter, the link,
it could be that, it could just be that.
Yeah, I put it back on, but I was missing the bolt. So I just tightened the one that was on there real tight. So and I'm guessing over time, it probably just popped off.
Let's get it on up out here.
Oh yeah. I guess the last time we was at that angle.
We was on that dirt too.
Yeah.
Do me a favor.
Yeah.
When you get in, turn to the left just a little bit.
All right.
You get in there and set that.
Okay. Might be dragging in the back.
No, it ain't dragging in the back. But didn't it seem like something was dragging to you too?
Yeah.
That's what I was just looking at. No, it ain't dragging in the back. That's what I thought maybe it was bumped up or something like that.
Well, it did feel like something was a little off.
But look, you got plenty of space.
I don't know what that was. Yeah, but it just seemed like something in the front holding on, don't it?
Maybe that's the reason why it ain't doing what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
It could be just something that ain't got nothing to do with the plan.
I don't know.
We almost up there.
Something ain't right though. Whatever it was, just let go. Whatever it was, just let go. I don't know what that was. Put it in park, turn it off, break down. Get the key out of here, cause
You gonna take it back to the shop? What you gonna do?
take it back to the house and jack it up and see what's going on.
You gonna try to fix it yourself?
I did the first time.
You did?
Yep. Even when the front end was wrecked, I replaced the front end.
Oh wow, okay. You know how to do body work?
Not body work, no. Mechanic work, yeah.
The front end, that body work.
Alright. Loaded up on the tow truck. Oh, copyright. I'm listening to Doja Cat. But got it loaded up on the tow truck, so maybe I can still make the meet. It ain't until 8:30. I just take the truck. I really want to take my car, but not gonna happen. So yeah. See you when we get to the house. Alright, at the house. Even though it was like 30-second drive. But we here. It's crazy how fast it got dark. Yeah.